Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In today's video, we are going to show how to create histogram chart in MS Excel. But before that, subscribe to our channel and never miss an update from us. Before getting into how to create histogram chart, let's discuss what histogram is. In simple language, a histogram is a chart representation of frequency distribution of sample data. For example, a chart of numbers of class student from percentage mark range from 40 to 60%, 60 to 80% and 80 to 100%. Here, sample data is number of student in the class and percentage range is frequency distribution. Now that we are clear with the basics, let's check out how to create a histogram in MS Excel. In today's example, we have a stocks daily timestamp, price and price return. In the histogram chart, on y-axis we will plot count and on x-axis the percentage return frequency bin. In cell H5 we will calculate minimum price return value of column E by using min function, and in cell I5 we will calculate maximum price return by using Excel function max. Cell J5 is an input cell which is interval. User can input the same. This input can be of range from 0.001 to 0.008. Here we inserted 0.005 as input. Now in column K we will make frequency bin. In cell K5 we will link the minimum value and we will get 5.42%. In cell K6 we will add minimum value, that is minus 5.42%, and add interval input to the same. Now we will use $sign to fix the interval input. Copy the same to the below cell until we get a value which is greater than to maximum price return in cell I5, which is 3.56%. Now in column L we will use frequency function. Frequency function in MS Excel provide number of time a value occurs in a given range. In cell L5 we will write equal to frequency. Firstly we will link data array, which is price return data, in cell E5 to E252, and in second array we will use bin raise, which is frequency bin data in cell range K5 to K23. We will select the below cell range up to row 23 and follow command Ctrl Shift Enter, and we will get frequency data. Frequency count implies number of counts between the price return. For example, in cell L21 we have value 11. Which means that there are 11 price return values greater than or equal to 2.08% and less than 2.58. Finally, now that we have data, let's plot a histogram chart. We will go to Insert tab and click on Chart. We will get a blank chart. We will right click and click on Select Data. On the box, click on Add Right Series Name as histogram, and for series value select Count, which is cell range L5 to L23. Now on the horizontal axis label, click on Edit and select Frequency Bin from cell range K5 to K23 and click on OK. Your histogram chart will be ready. You can format the chart accordingly or go to Design tab and select your chart type. Now there are some disadvantages of creating histogram chart using MS Excel. Major is that chart in Excel is not dynamic and we have to calculate frequency bin and count again as input data is changed. Secondly, you have to adjust the chart range as per data if changed. So is there a better way to create a histogram chart? One way to create a histogram chart is through pivot table, and we will explain the same in our next tutorial. So that's it in today's video. If you find this video interesting and knowledgeable, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.